boys and girls. Well, now we're going to read a book about some of the other planets that share our solar system with us. And the title of our book is 8 Spinning Planets. And it is written by Brian James and illustrated by Russell Benfenty. And what I like about this book is it's squishy. These are squishy planets that are inside this book. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8. But watch closely. Make sure you've got your astronomy eyes on because things are about to change. Mercury. 8 spinning planets travel round the sun. Mercury is closest, and it's the smallest one. It is a rocky planet without any air. With the sun so close by, it's very hot there. Whoa, so there's no air, and it is totally hot because it is closest to our friend, the sun. Okay, now we've got 8. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Venus. 7 spinning planets. Around the sun they go. Here is beautiful Venus with its yellow glow. Covered with clouds that trap the sun's rays, Venus is like a desert, hot and dry every day. And you can see down here, they've got a picture of the surface of Venus. Venus is filled with clouds. Earth. 6 spinning planets in outer space they roam. Next come bright blue Earth, the place we call our home. Earth is filled with water, food, animals, and air. It's the perfect world for all of us to share. And you can see the picture they chose. Earth has trees, water, and land. So we went 8, 7, 6. What would come next? 5. Mars. 5 spinning planets in space overhead. You can tell this one is Mars because it's red. Mars has mountain ranges that rise up very high. It has not 1, but 2 moons that orbit in its sky. So we have Mars there, and it says Mars has mountain ranges that rise up very high, and you can see a picture of the mountain ranges. So we went 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Jupiter. 4 spinning planets floating with the stars. Make way for Jupiter. It's really large. It is the biggest planet and rotates awfully fast. With one great red spot, Jupiter is made of gas. And there's the red spot down here by my finger. And it says Jupiter has large swirling storms. So this is the swirling. It always reminds me of like a marble countertop. So we went 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Saturn. 3 spinning planets. Such incredible things. Look, there is Saturn with all its pretty rings. The rings circle Saturn and reflect sunlight. They are made of icy rocks that glow nice and bright. So now we know Saturn's rings are made of icy rocks. Saturn has glowing rings is the title of that picture, or the caption for that picture. So we went 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Uranus. 2 spinning planets. Deep in space they glide. Look at Uranus. It's lying on its side. Uranus is made of gas like Jupiter. The planet and its rings look like one big blur. Wow. Uranus is full of greenish blue gas. So that one could also be called a blue planet. Interesting. And of course, we're getting further and further from the sun. So as we get further and further away, what temperature do you think you're likely to find on these planets? Yeah, you're right. They're getting cooler and colder as we go further away from the sun's warmth. Neptune. One spinning planet. Neptune is cold, cloudy, and blue. If you were that far from the sun, you would be cold too. We've counted all the planets circling the sun. That leaves only Pluto, which is too small to be one. So they call that one a dwarf planet. Neptune has a great dark spot. We can see it in the image right there. It's like our other planet that had a red spot. So we went from 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that was our book today about our 8 spinning planets. Do you remember the names of them all? Well, let's take a look. We had, right here, we had Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, and we had Saturn, and we had Jupiter. Those were the names of our planets. And this is giving you a clue what your assignment is today. So scroll on down, astronomers, and see what you're going to do today.